another video. You are watching Phones with me, and today we are going to talk about none other than Redmi Note 4 out here. Yes, Xiaomi's Redmi Note 4 we are going to talk about. And when we talk about this variant, we can say it has got technologies like GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Yes, these are the technologies which are used in this. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got a light or we can say a moderate weight, because having a weightage of 165 grams is an okay version. Glass front could be seen along with aluminium body out there, and you'll get to see hybrid dual SIM out there. Talking about hybrid dual SIM technology, we can say it has got expandability also, which can be up to 256 GB, because internal storage capacity is 64 GB and 4 GB RAM. Yes, this is a very good version out there. Having a screen size of 5.5 inches and IPS LCD capital touchscreen, it could be considered as a good variant out there, because offering a resolution of 401 ppi is still a plus version to this. We can also say that the Android working on it was back then very good, but now if we talk about this Android, is it not a very good option, but yeah, okay version out there. Yes, having an Android version of 6 upgradable up to Android 7 is an okay version now. Snapdragon 625 works well with octa-core CPU, and is also very good when it comes to processing system with Android, or we can say the operating system out there. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got dual LED flash light and very good camera out there. When we talk about the camera, it has got a single camera of 13 megapixel, whereas selfie camera is of about 5 megapixel. Yes, these two are really amazing features of this Note 4 out there, Redmi Note 4. Talking about this variant, it has got a loudspeaker 3.5 jack, so you can have all the FM connectivity, recording out there, connectivity, accelerometer. These things could be seen out in this variant. Whereas when we talk about this kind of a variant, the battery life is very good out there, because it offers you about 4100 mAh battery. Yes, 4100, like plus, we can say a plus point to this version could be said as it has 4100 mAh battery. Talking about a good battery, we can say it's available out on a very good website which offers you worth investing price. And the website name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, on Google also you can go and type phoneZone.ae. I have highlighted the name. And when we go on this website, you get to see a category where n number of gadgets could be seen out from these reputed, renowned brands out there. Whereas this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am writing Redmi Note 4. So the results are out. As you can see the results of this variant, it has got a description box which tells all the specifications related to the phone. Whereas you get to see there is a condition written on the top notch, that is the refurbished condition. Yes, we can see there is a condition written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition. See how is it different from brand new, and then compare it and see whether the refurbished products are worth investing or not. Talking about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, like if we talk about refurbished products and when we talk about brand new products, they're quite similar. Why they are similar? Because we can see that the refurbished product is an extension to brand new. Like if we talk about the stages of this, then we can say brand new has a stage like company, the original base out there, who has introduced a new phone or new gadget out in the market. Then it comes to the market. Yes, any agency, marketplace, retailers, anything, that's the market out there. Then it goes to the users, the consumer out there. So this is brand new. Now extension to it becomes like the user already has that gadget. Now that's the gadget has been used out. Now that person does not want that, then it is again given back to the market. It's not the reverse, it's the frontal market. It can be back also, but it's usually the frontal we say. So the market has it. Now this market tests, verifies, everything is like absolutely repacked and we can say it's like new, like not refurbished. We can say the absolutely newly like. When it passes all the tests, then it is classified as refurbished, and the condition is named as refurbished. Now, this refurbished product is again launched on the sites, on their specified sites where they have already pre-owned it, and then the user have this. Yes, then the new user uses it. This is known as refurbished. So we can say the extension from the user to user is known as refurbished products, or we can say this is the extension of brand new in this category. Now, when we talk about the similarities, we can say they have similarities in the parameters also. Like parameters which include in this are like the display out there, the buttons intactness, the colorization, the storage capacity, camera, video, audio, SIM recognition, connectivities out there, the data wiping out there, the accelerometer, proximeters out there, gyroscope out there. If it has loudspeakers, then how is it working? Charger, charging capacity, everything, whichever thing it is, like the operating system, processor out there, every kind of specification we read about a gadget, they have to be tested. And there are approximately 29 major parameters which have sub parameters also, how they are classified, how they are checked. So there are almost 29 parameters. When we talk about these 29 parameters, they had to pass each and every parameter to become certified. If it fails in one parameter, then the product is disqualified, or we can say is discontinued, or is not launched on the site out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version out there, we can say that this kind of variants are quite good in quality. They have been tested out, they have been checked out every time, their quality is checked, so that it is absolutely renewed. Now, when we talk about this product, refurbished product, we can say that these products offers you a good quality, good service out there, so that it becomes a building block to you for people who cannot, at that time, cannot see their favorite gadgets in their pocket, but now can see. Now, when we talk about the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new, we can say that refurbished products offers you a savings. Yes, it offers you savings out there. How it offers you savings, we already know that brand new products are highly expensive out there when it's released. But when we talk about refurbished products, they are quite pocketable. Yes, these are quite pocketable. So when we compare the pricing out there, there is a slight difference in the pricing. So you can save, really you can save up to 15 or 70, like you get to save a good amount of money. When we talk about the warranty period, yes, it is actually seen when we own a pre-owned phone, then the warranty period is not given out there. But there are sites which offers you 6 months warranty period, and this sites offer you 6 months warranty period out too. As well as you get to have 70 exchange policy. As we see in the brand new products, we have 1 year warranty and a few days replacement and guarantee out there. Same happens with it. 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy could be seen out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version out there, we can say that this variant is available out on our website. And so let us once again see the website first. Yes, let us once again see the website and check out whether these things are available on the site or not. So I have highlighted the name. The name has been highlighted, which you can Google. That is phoneson.ae, or you can go in the description box and see the link. I already told you that this site offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you can see that it offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy out here. Addition to this, you get to see COD and free shipping also. Yes, COD and free shipping is also there. Shipping ki baat kare, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most of the parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take up to a week. Now talking about the products, they are 100% original products, and not just that, you get to see n number of gadgets from the n reputed brands. Yes, if you see the list, there are reputed brands out here. This site, this search icon has an option for you to search a specified gadget out there. Yes, you can search a specified gadget out there. So So for the best pricing, do visit out the website or call on our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.